Welcome to MX Megastore. Let's take a look at the Z1R Drifter motorcycle helmet. Today we're featuring it in the matte black. Nice half helmet design. You can see it includes the tinted three snap visor. Comes with that. It is made of an ABS polycarbonate shell. Pretty lightweight. It has two vents on the front for air intake. It has a brushed nylon interior. It also includes a removable zippered ear flap and neck curtain. Right here is a zipper. Simply zip that off and this comes off, and then all you would see is this. You would see those little ear things. It has a double D chin strap with the snap design retention system. It is DOT certified. Pretty nice looking helmet. Very reasonably priced. For more information on this particular helmet, the Z1R Drifter, go ahead and click this link. If you'd like to make a purchase, you can certainly do so there. It's a link that'll take you directly to our website at mxmegastore.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to share more of our videos that we put out every single week of all the new products that we come and find, and we love to introduce them to you. So make sure you do that. Check into Facebook, and if you have any questions whatsoever, contact us, 877-U-MOTO.